I always have gluten-free guests in my Ikaria kitchen, and on phyllo day, we make something great that they can enjoy. It's a pie called pispilita that my friend and staff member Ponia makes really well. She mixes cornmeal with salt, then enough water to make a dense mixture like wet sand. Next, she adds a few tablespoons of olive oil. You'll see that in a second. She keeps mixing it to get that dense, wet sand kind of texture.
So
See that?
it's sandy, like wet sand. San vermelhamos.
She oils the pan really well. We use a lot of olive oil during this class. And pats that wet cornmeal mixture into the pie pan, getting it as flat as she can. And then you'll see how she deals with the rim. She pushes it against the sides to form this nice rim. We're going to add our day's filling to that, which is a combination of spinach, amaranth greens, leeks, scallions, onions, carrots, pumpkin, dill, parsley, mint, oregano, wild fennel, basil, salt, and olive oil. You'll see that in a second. There we go. That's what we used in the phyllo making part of this as well in our pie. That goes over the cornmeal, gets patted down so that it's nice and even and as flat as it can be. You can also add feta cheese to this if you'd like. Next, a little olive oil goes over the filling. What else? And then she adds dry cornmeal over the top, sprinkling it. We call that pispilizo, is to sprinkle in Greek, and that's where the name of this pie comes from, pispilita. It's kind of onomatopoeia for what the action is. So she sprinkles the cornmeal all over the top, making sure as much of the surface as possible is covered. Then she sprinkles a little water over that, and a little bit of olive oil. She's drizzling that right now. And there it goes. That's going to get baked, and it looks really good. Thank you, Ponia.
One more time, please.